Students, I hope everyone is doing well. So today we are going to start with the next chapter, and that is angles and pair of angles. Okay, so what you see here is an angle. An angle has two arms. Okay, so the one arm is BA and the other arm is BC. Arm BC and arm BA. Then if you see how many vertex are there, how many points are there on the arms. Okay, so there are point A, B and C. Okay, these 3 points are on the arm, and if I draw some few points, if I give some few points, N, Q, R, then the points which are inside this angle are called as points in the interior. Okay, interior of an angle. So which points are there inside? X, Y and P, and the points which are on the outside, these points are called the points on the exterior. Okay, or points in the exterior. So exterior points are point R, then point Q, then point N and point M. So these points are in the exterior and these 3 points are in the interior, and point A, B and C are on arms. Okay, now we will see what is adjacent angles. Adjacent angles. Now if two angles are having a common vertex and a common arm and a separate interiors, they are said to be adjacent angles. See, 3 things are very important. Okay, so the first thing is common vertex. Vertex is B. Suppose we talk about this angle ABD and angle CBD. Okay, ABD and CBD. Now this ABD has vertex this B, and also CBD has vertex B. So which is the common vertex here? B vertex. Okay, and then one common arm. Okay, ABD, CBD. Can you observe this? This BD is common here. This arm BD is the common arm. See BD. So arm which is common is BD, and interiors are separate. This angle has this much interior and this angle has this interior. Both the interiors of these two angles are separate, hence these two angles are adjacent angles. Now I want you to pause the video and write down this definition of adjacent angles, then draw this angle and write the names of the angle and say these angles are adjacent angles. Okay, so let's do that. Now this is the second question from practice set 15. Question number 1 is your homework. Okay, you have to write the points in the interior, exterior and points on the arm. That is very easy. So I am going to start with the problem second. Now here you need to write the pairs of adjacent angles. Now in this pair diagram, which angles are adjacent? See, this angle BAN and this angle are adjacent because they are having this AN as common side. So I am going to write the first pair of adjacent angles as angle BNA and angle CNA. Okay, these two done. Now this angle ANC or angle CNA and CNB are also adjacent. See these two. They are having this side as common separate interiors and end point as the common vertex. So angle BNC and angle this BNC and ANC. Now the third pair we are going to write is this pair ANB, this third pair, and it is common with this. So angle ANB and angle CNB. CNB and B is common arm. Here it is also NC, NC, NA, NA. Okay. So these three are the adjacent sides. Now in this angle is right angle which is adjacent to this angle. So angle RQP and angle TQP. They both are having separate interiors, one common vertex and one common arm. That's it. So this angle does not have any adjacent angle. Okay. And question number 3. Third question is this. There are 4 pairs given and you have to identify if the angles are adjacent or not. Okay. So angle PMQ and RMQ. Angle PMQ, that means this angle, and angle RMQ, that means this angle. So these two angles having common side MQ and vertex common M. So these are, yes, these are adjacent angles. Second pair RMQ, that means this, and SMR, that means only this and this. See, they have common side, common vertex, but they do not have separate interiors. Okay, this interior is a part of this interior. Okay, so these are not adjacent angles. The third pair is RMS, this, okay, and RMT, this, till here. Okay, again this small angle is a part of this larger angle, so they do not have separate interiors, so this is not adjacent pair. SMT, that means this much, this angle, and RMS and this. Okay, now this is having separate interior and this is also having separate interior, plus SM side is common with common vertex M. So yes, these are adjacent angles. So that's it for today. I hope you have understood. Solve question number 1 as your homework and send it to me on WhatsApp. I'll see you tomorrow.